Welcome to this Q&A of the day video in association with TLC Electrical Wholesaler, renowned for quality, value and customer service. Today's question relates to the Hamilton ceiling speakers that we featured in a video recently. And the question is, can speaker cables and mains cables be run together? There's two things that you need to think about regarding this question. The first is the safety of the installation, and the second is the functional quality of the system. So just to make it clear, we're talking here about a speaker system that's been installed purely for entertainment purposes, not one for perhaps issuing evacuation instructions as part of an alarm system. So BS 7671 states in regulation 528.1 that a band 1 circuit shall not be contained in the same wiring system as a band 2 circuit. So that seems fairly clear, doesn't it? We don't want significantly different voltage systems running right next to each other. But is there a way that we could achieve that? Well, the regulation does allow for circuits from different bands to be installed in the same wiring system, as long as one of the 6 points listed is met. So for example, taking point 1, if every cable or conductor is insulated for the highest voltage present. So if your speaker cable is insulated to the rating of the mains cable, then that would meet the requirements for the regulations. But what about the second point, the operating quality? Now for this, we just need to think about what could happen if we run mains cables by speaker cables. It's possible that when 230 volt loads are being turned on and off, that the change in current in the cables and the change in the associated magnetic fields around the conductors could generate electromagnetic interference in the cables and cause pops and crackles in the audio system. Also, even just large loads continuously running could cause an audible background hum in the speakers. It's possible that if the mains cables are only supplying very small loads that don't switch on and off a lot, then you won't have any problems with interference. So to summarise, while you can find ways to run speaker cables with mains cables to keep the installation safe and maintain the highest quality, it may be best to run them separately. Thank you very much for watching.